These advices will definitely help you grow your online business, network marketing, affiliate marketing, coaching, or consulting using YouTube, right? So stay tuned, take notes. I'm 100% sure this is going to help you, right? So when you have started creating videos in the initial stage, often we get confused, okay, what niche should I select for creating my videos, right? Now, you must have seen a lot of videos regarding niche, but a few points which I would like to highlight. Nobody talks about these things, right? Number one is don't worry about your niche while you're just starting out, right? It is very okay to for your niche to emerge over time. It's also okay for your niche to change over time, right? For example, if there's an artist, okay, if artist starts saying that I don't know what masterpiece I'm going to create, that's why I'm not going to paint, this is not a reason, because the same excuse I have listened from many of my clients who say, so I don't know what media videos to make, so I don't create videos. Start creating videos which you would like to watch, right? Start creating videos which you enjoy creating it, share experience, start teaching, right? Now the second important point, what is the best CTA you can give for your video, right? Now gone are the days when the CTA is like, share, subscribe would work, because that is actually causing decision fatigue, right? The people are not doing it. If they like your video, they will automatically subscribe and like. It's up to them. So the first best CTA could be, you can ask your audience to watch another video of yours. How does it help? Because YouTube observes that after watching your video, if you're giving call to action, means after watching your video, what do you want your audience to do? If you're giving a call to action, okay, watch my this video also, YouTube algorithm sees that your channel is keeping the attention of the audience in the YouTube watch web. So your channel is helping YouTube to grow. So the YouTube will push your channel. It will help you grow your business. It will help you grow your channel, as well as you'll make money from YouTube. Now, the second best call to action could be refer to some playlist. If you have created any playlist, means in sequence wise content, structured content, which would help your audience to learn something, that would also be good. Third is a lead magnet. Let's say you're into an online business. Okay, you want to generate leads using YouTube. So what you can do, you can give call to action. After giving value through your content, you can give call to action that download my lead magnet or watch my lead magnet. Lead magnet can be your automated live webinar, your ebook, or a video sales letter, right? The fourth kind of call to action, which has proven to be one of the best, is you can ask your audience to book one-to-one meeting. If you sell consultations, if you give coaching, this is best, right? So you can also ask your audience to book one-to-one meeting with you. Forget about like, share, subscribe. Nobody does that. If they want to do, they will do it anyway. If they like your content, they would do it themselves. You don't need to remind them again and again, right? Now, let's move on to the third important point. Now, what videos to make? This is very important. Just listen to me very carefully. Create such videos which you would like to watch. Okay. Second important point is create a content database of 100 ideas. Because many times what happens when we start creating YouTube videos, we often spend most of our time thinking about what content should I make? What should be my content title? So I would request you to sit down for 2 to 3 hours, take pen and paper, do research. Okay, you can go to platforms like answerthepublic.com. You can use YouTube search option suggestions. You can go to channels in your niche and you can sort popular option and you can see which videos are performing good on their channel. If you create videos around that content title, that would also perform on your channel as well, right? So create a content database of 100 ideas, then boil it down to 10 or 1, which you can create on the very day when you're thinking of creating a content. Now, third important point is there's no perfect video, okay? Because many times we create a video, we shoot a video, but we don't upload it, right? So there's no perfect video. Do not fall in the trap of perfection. Now, make at least 100 videos to get some results, because many times I get a question that, sir, I've started creating videos on YouTube, but I'm not getting any results. Now, that is because you have not created enough videos. Creating 10-20 videos will not give you results. If you want to see at least 1% result also, start at least make 100 videos. Now, this is not true for everyone. There are exceptions that video get viral. People start getting views in 10-20 videos, even with the one video also. But 95% of the channels does not grow like that. You need to be consistent. You need to have patience, right? So what videos to create? Keep in mind these three valuable points. Now let's move on to the fourth point. Let's talk about small YouTube channels. Okay, many times we have a misconception that making money on YouTube is only for those channels which has big subscriber base, big viewership, and that is not true, right? Let me give clarity on this. Even if you have less, yeah, views or less subscribers, let's say 100 subscriber, 200 subscriber, 500 subscribers, still it can lead you to big opportunities, right? Let's say you have expertise in some kind of skill, you can do something which people are ready to pay for you. You can get client, customer, prospect who are ready to purchase from you. So you must have something to sell. So in this way, even with small YouTube channels, it can lead you to big opportunities. It's a myth that success on YouTube only means silver play button or million views. Even with 100 views, even with 10 views, there are people in my community with 10 views also, they are able to sell 20, 25,000 rupees products, right? So it is not like that. Even small YouTube channel with a very, very less views, very less subscribers, still it can lead to big opportunities. It's never too late for you to start a YouTube channel. I see many times they compare themselves with other YouTubers, and they often they give an excuse of not starting a YouTube channel. That says it's very late for me to start a YouTube channel. I saw that channel that was on 1,000 subscriber that grew to 5,000 subscribers now, and I'm so late. I have not even started yet. So it's never too late. If you start today, also it's not too late. Still, you will get success. Now, fourth important point is don't think of creating a viral YouTube channel. The same point. Success on YouTube does not means only silver play button, a million views. We get this anxiety that it's too late to start a YouTube channel, so I cannot make money with small YouTube channels. It's because in the mind you are thinking that okay, if I create a YouTube channel, it should be viral. It should have a lot of subscribers. It should have a lot of views, right? It does not work like that. So don't think of creating a viral YouTube channel. Just start something. Give something valuable to the society, give something valuable to your audience. And later on, when your authority get established, when people start trusting you and you have something to sell, they will be ready to buy, right? Fifth important but very underappreciated benefit of having a YouTube channel is you can start building communities and connection with your loyal audience, because there are various ways where you can monetize these connections, these communities. Okay, so it is a very good platform. It's a very good platform to build communities. So focus. If you're having a small YouTube channel right now, eventually it will grow. Don't worry, still you can make good money. Okay, and just focus on these points. Break the mental barriers which you have. I hope you understood these 4 points. Just keep in mind this will help you grow your online business, right? Now, if you are interested to make money from 5 income sources by being a YouTuber, then what you can do, you can apply to work with me. There's first link in the description. You can click on the link. You can watch my automated live webinar, or you can book a personal one-to-one consultation with me, free consultation with me, where I can help you understand. I can explain you how you can make 5 income sources by just being a YouTuber, right? And the sixth important point is watch my YouTube for Business playlist on my channel. There's a playlist which I've created, YouTube for Business, where I keep sharing information, knowledge about YouTube, how you can use it to grow your business, right? So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.